Hi everyone, I am Rohan Kumar, roll number 21MI10043 from the Department of Mining Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. Here I have made a peanut noir or a simple wine glass. First, I used the sketch option to create a 2D figure, on which I use a polyline feature and B-spline feature. Here I will show you. I use the polyline feature to make these straight lines and the B-spline feature to make these curved lines. By using them, I have made a section of the figure which now I am going to revolve. By revolving that section, I have created a 3D model. Therefore, I have transformed my 2D figure into a 3D model. After that, I will go to the mesh design and go to the mesh part and create a mesh from shape. As you can see, I have created the mesh. Now I am going to export the mesh. As you had seen that I had exported the mesh. Now I am going to import the mesh into the Cura software. Now I am going to check my settings and the necessary requirements and the conditions. And now I am going to slice them. Now it shows that 3D printing this model will require 2 hours and 31 minutes and it will weigh 40 grams. Now I am going to save the disk. Thank you. That was my assignment number 1 of DIY.